Hi guys, natulog po ako ng pork capitada. It's been a while. This is my version of cooking pork capitada, and there is a complete guide in my shorts how to do it. And I have pork loin, then peas and carrots, and of course the potato, and some seasonings. I use 1 cubes of pork cubes, and seasonings, it depends. And then of course ketchup, a little bit of salt. So this is the only version that I have. Some people will do their own thing, and then of course paminta, tapos yung bay leaves, hindi masyadong marami. Luto na siguro to guys. Ayoko ng masyadong durog na potato kasi pangit siya sa panlasa. Okay, kakain na po kami kasi gutom na ako. At saka kahit walang rice, but you know what, may rice ako kasi kids love with rice. So meron akong rice dito, and then this one for our dinner. And don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.